Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. You need a blender that can easily process your ingredients into smooth, creamy perfection if you're worrying up an energizing healthy breakfast smoothie. But that's not all these kitchen staples are good for. Your blender should crush ice for silky smooth frozen cocktails and vegan protein shakes, puree velvety soup in minutes, and grind oats for homemade oat milk. In the Good Housekeeping Institute Kitchen Appliances and Innovation Lab, we've tested everything from immersion blenders to food processors and more than 100 blenders over the years to find the best high-performance blender models. Our top tested picks include blenders ranging from $80 to $550 from brands that we love, including picks from Vitamix and Ninja, and models that have personal blending cups with lids for easy portability.
Number 3. The Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender.
We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yielded a smooth and creamy texture with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button, which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup to a silky smooth texture and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces and became stained a little from tomato sauce.
Number 2. Blender Combo.
This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, making it super versatile, and our pick for the best value. It comes with a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies at pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed daiquiri.
Number 1. E310 Explorian Blender.
There's nothing the showpiece Vitamix can't do when it comes to blending, pureeing, and grinding ingredients. With pro-quality precision and control, it can make everything from silky smooth green smooths to creamy soup and more. The ultra-powerful motor has 10 variable speed settings, and its heavy-duty base won't easily shift on the counter when in use. The controls are intuitive and fuss-free, and this machine excelled in every one of our kitchen appliances lab tests, easily grinding coffee beans and whirling up milkshakes and silky smooth margaritas in seconds. It's an investment, but you won't find a better performing, more durable pick. It's a fraction of the cost of other Vitamix models. One note is that the carafe is on the small side at just 6 cups.
If you are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.